Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of CATEARED diamond painting, and the exciting thing is that it is a mystery diamond painting. So I already knew that there were two things in this box that I wanted. One is a pen. It's a beautiful blue pen with a brass tip, and it came with a 3-placer, but I replaced it with a 4-placer. And I already started using this one because my other pen, the tip was deforming, so that wasn't very good. And it also came with this macaron. And this macaron is filled with pink wax. For the rest of the toolkit, it just came with a white tray and nothing else. So a pen, quite a nice pen, a macaron filled with pink wax, and a white tray. But I haven't had a good look at what's on the image yet, so let's open this and see. This is the inventory sheet, and as you can see, the inventory sheet also doesn't give it away. It's still a mystery on this as well, and this is also just in black and white. It does have DMC numbers, so if you know your codes, you can kind of figure out from this sheet how much of each color it's going to be, and the color tones your image will be. However, I'm not that familiar with all the DMC colors. I know this is a B5200 5200, which is a crystal clear white, and we have 5,000 of that, so that's quite a lot. I see that we also have 1700 of 890. I'm not sure what color that exactly is. And the rest of them are between like 100 and I would say 700. So yeah, let's look at the image. So the canvas is quite thin, I would say. But it is a port glue canvas with a clear top, and if I look at it through the viewfinder, I would say it looks like a pineapple. I can see all the symbols quite clearly. The challenging thing, of course, is that it's not really easy to recognize, I would say, because of the lack of color on the canvas. But that's of course what makes it a mystery painting and what makes it nice. But if I bring the canvas a bit closer, you can see the symbol clarity. You can see that it's pretty good. So I like that. Then onto the drills. The drills come in pre-sealed bags. By the looks of it, they're measured as well, so they're one bag per color. So let's see, this is the bag of B5200, B5200. Like I said, it's a clear white. Color 29, 28. So they look to be in descending order. 28, 27, 26, 54. So let's see what color 890 is. 890 is a green color, a dark green color, which looks pretty good. So yeah, I find it very nice, and the drill quality, as far as I can see, also is pretty good. Okay, I've just opened the bag to get everything back in, but there's quite a bit of static. So I'm going to have to fix that later. So I've put everything back. I personally really like it if companies give you resealable, reusable bags, because that's a little bit less waste of plastic that you're getting. Then if we look at how big the size is, it's a 30. Let's flip it because it's easier to measure. a 30 by 39.5, I would say, almost 40. So that's pretty good size for a mystery painting. And of course it's a pretty good size for the price you pay. In total I paid $23.90 for this, which isn't very cheap if you would only get a diamond painting like this. However, it also included of course the macaron and also the pen. So I think $23.90 is quite reasonable price for this. If you would buy a pen like this separate, I know like Diamond Art Club sells comparable pens to this, I think, for $15 already. And if you look at that, this is $24 in total. I think that's a very reasonable price. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a pretty good mystery kit. I have ordered 2 more from a different company, so I'm curious to see how they compare. I'll let you know when I receive the other one. But for now, that is all. I hope you had a nice holidays, whether you celebrated Christmas, Hanukkah, or anything else. Leave a comment down below if you've ever done a mystery painting and what you thought of it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And then I will see you in the next video. But for now, have a nice day. Bye!